Xin ciao, toila, saluto, Janine. Hello everyone, I am Janine Di Saluta from BSIT major in Food Technology Section 33 of Bohol Island State University main campus.
Don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time?
Today, I will be showing you on how to prepare and cook one of the Vietnam's specialty, the Vietnamese lemongrass chicken.
Lemongrass chicken is also known as ga or mok sao saot in Vietnam. In general, it is described as sautéed chicken or squid with lemongrass, fish sauce, garlic, onion, and chilies.
But this time, I will be showing you the chicken version of ga or mok sao saot.
Fresh lemongrass with its signature delicate, tangy, lemony, minty, slightly gingery flavor is the starring ingredient here and somehow transform a simple garlic soy marinade into one that tastes fabulously fresh and light.
And once it is paired up with lightly charred juicy chicken, I'm telling you that light, sweet, savory, citrusy combo is a downright irresistible.
Make sure to wash all the ingredients before slicing them, and also wash all the tools and utensils that you will be using while preparing those ingredients to avoid germs, microbes. Also, practice clean as you go rule so that you will avoid messy tables. For this dish, we will be using finely chopped garlic, also, we will be using one medium-sized onion that is roughly chopped, some green and red chilies that is also finely chopped, of course, the star of the show, the lemongrass. So make sure to use the pale part of the lemongrass and make sure it is also finely chopped. A cup of chicken broth, some oil and soy sauce, 1 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, also some fish sauce. Fish sauce or nok mam in Vietnamese is one of the Vietnam's great staple, which is used as an ingredient as well as a dipping sauce for dishes such as spring rolls or banh chow pancakes.
Nok mam has a pungent aroma and biting saltiness that is an acquired taste, but it is a perfect complement to the subtle flavor of the food.
In this dish, I will be using the thigh part of the chicken because it has an equal distribution of fat, skin, and lean. Now for the marinade, combine fish sauce, the lemongrass, and sugar, stir it well, and then put into the chicken. Next is combine all the ingredients with a spoon. Once you've already stirred it well, just cover the Tupperware and then leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes to soak all the flavors into the meat. Now we are ready to heat the wok. Put some oil into the heated wok. Saute garlic, onion, and chilies. Wait for the onion to become translucent before adding the lemongrass. And now set aside the herbs and spices so that you can fry the chicken in the center. And now when you are dealing with a meat that has skin part, make sure to fry with the skin side down so that you will produce a crispier skin or a crispier texture of the meat. Add in the chicken broth and simmer it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Also, it is optional to add tomato ketchup if you want. And here it is done.
I already garnished my dish and this is my final output.
Like many Asian cuisines, Vietnamese food is underpinned by sewing and Mahab Huta principles. These philosophies emphasize the importance of the balance between the 5 elements for health and well-being. This means that each Vietnamese dish features a careful combination of 5 flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and hot. This sensational synthesis makes every meal an invigorating and memorable experience. I would like to pair it with rice or kalming in Vietnamese since it is the mainstay of a Vietnamese meal. Also with fresh and crunchy sliced cucumbers to freshen up every bite.
Mukha ka na!
Nahunang rice, nangalagpot ko daw.
Dato.
Sarap. Yeah.
Comment pa! Storya. Tamis
Sarap.
ba or kuan?
Para na sakto naman. Galing. Doon eh.
Ito.
Okay ah.